Hello and welcome to Random Adventure. Come and join us as we continue to explore the islands of the Pacific Ocean. Today we are just north of the U.S. territory of Guam on Rota Island in the Commonwealth of Northern Marianas Islands. We are on a 4-day dive trip and we are diving tabletop number 1. It's going to be fun. Come and join. This is our first dive of day 2, and so we begin at the Blue Palm Dive Shop. Their boat was still there as they have had a recent typhoon that knocked out many harbors, and so the boat goes in and out of the water every day. Once back in the water, we went ahead and loaded up our gear and tanks and headed out. It is a quick 15-minute boat ride to get to tabletop number 1. Tabletop number 1 is a flat area of coral that comes to a nearby wall. Each tabletop has a channel that is adjacent to it that you can explore with lots of opportunity to find life. And the lower level is at about 75 feet, but most of the dive we spent between 40 and 50 feet of depth. Dropping down into tabletop 1, we began to look for the fish that our guides told us were very common here. Tabletop 1 is known for its butterfly fish, its damselfish, and its angelfish, as well as sea anemones and the associated clownfish. There is a good amount of mackerel opportunities. We did see some nudibranchs, a lot of shells, and clams, and so do be on the lookout as you explore the various canyons and other hard coral areas. Having completed about 50 minutes of diving, we came up and completed our safety stop before emerging back to the surface. This is a very easy beginning dive for our second day here in Rota. Tabletop number 1 was an enjoyable dive with opportunities to see hard and soft coral, some fish, and a lot of small growth such as nudibranchs and starfish. It was a good dive and we are happy to have done it. Our next dive is at Rota Hole, which is one of the most famous dives here on Rota, and we hope you come and join us for that. With that, we had a good dive. We hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you on the next one.